Okay, now we're doing week 2 of Cooking Club. This week we're going to make something that my daughters both love to eat, and that is a grilled cheese sandwich. Okay, for this you're going to need 2 slices of bread, some cheese. You can either use, some people like to use the sliced cheese, the squares. I like to use the shredded cheese, and believe it or not, you can use mayo to make a grilled cheese sandwich. Okay, a lot of people use butter. My family likes to use mayo. Gives the sandwich a little bit more crunch. So the first thing you need to do is put the mayo on your bread. Okay, remember the mayo is going to go on the outside, so you have to be careful with that. Okay. Okay. Ooh, so it's a new bottle. Just to peel this off. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so you're going to need a knife. Get some of that. Do this one. Now, you won't need a ton because you're not making a normal sandwich, okay? This is just to give a little bit of a cover on your bread when you're cooking it. It looks like this. Okay, now, again, when you're using the stove, you have to remember you're using heat. Heat can be dangerous. So make sure you have mom and dad, grandma and grandpa, aunts and uncles, whoever, supervising. Okay. So you're going to let your pan get hot. Now notice when I did this, I didn't touch it. I'm feeling the heat to know that it's on. Okay? Maybe actually a little bit too high, so I'm going to turn it down a little bit. Okay? Feels better. Again, I would let mom and dad do that part. You don't need to touch. Alright. I'm going to take one of my slices of bread and put the mayo side down. Okay? Lucy. So, now you're going to get your cheese. Okay? Close up your mayo. I'm going to close that mayo, keep it safe. Here's your cheese. Like I said, you can use the squares, you can use the shredded, it's up to you. Okay. Again, you want to be careful when you're near the stove. If you're putting your hands near the hot part, you need to make sure you're being safe. Okay? That doesn't matter if you're using the shredded cheese or the square cheese. Your hands are being close to the hot stove. You have to be careful, be safe. Again, please make sure you have mom and dad supervising while you're learning. Okay. Okay. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to take your other piece of bread, this time mayo side up. Mayo side up. Okay. Now, using a spatula, okay, you're going to want to try and flip over the sandwich. This is a hard skill. This is tough to learn, okay? I don't do it perfectly every time either. Okay, and then we flip. Whoop. See? So you're going to see the cheese starting to melt, okay? And some of you may be able to hear popping, okay? You'll see your bread should become more of a brown or golden brown color. Okay, and give it a little bit of time on each side. You don't want to wait too long or it will become burnt. There we go. My bread was starting to stick to the cheese that came out. Now, fair warning, I am not the world's best cook. So, if you come up with a better way of doing this, or your family has a better way, please show me. I need all the help I can get. Okay. Again. So now it's kind of your decision when you feel your sandwich is ready. You'll notice the cheese melting, the bread becoming that brown color. One more time. Yep. I think mine's about done. So I'm going to turn the heat off. Always want to turn it off before you leave the stove. Okay. Bring it to my plate. Okay. So you can see what it looks like. Now I'm going to cut it in half. There you go. A grilled cheese sandwich. Enjoy. See you next week.